Hello everyone. Today we're going to go over the winter benchmark review number 1. I'm just going to go ahead and let you know now. Towards the end of class, you're going to be getting your study guide, and for my B2 class, alright, the study guide is going to be due Friday the 15th. B3, yours will be due Wednesday the 13th, and for A2, you guys will be due Thursday the 14th. Alright, so let's go ahead and look into this review, number 1. Alright, number 1. First thing we're going to look at is midpoint. Alright, circle has a diameter with endpoints of -6, -2. They're right in there. Alright, and 4, 4. Okay, so what are the coordinates of the center of the circle? So what we need to do is connect our points. Not with that one. This one. Alright, we connect our points. Alright, and then we can count our rise and our run. So our rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it takes me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now what I need to do with those numbers is divide them in half. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, 10 is 5. So now I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there is going to be my midpoint, which is at -1, 1. Alright, so that's midpoint. Now we're going to look at slope. Alright, slope is very easy. So if we're looking at perpendicular slope, we know we have to flip the fraction and change the sign. Alright, so let's line past us to 2, -4, so right in here. Alright, we have -6, 2. Alright, and what we need to do is make a line from those. The line's not going to be perfect, but there it is. So first of all, we ask ourselves, is this line negative or positive? So this line is going to be negative, right, and we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I went up 6. Then I need to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. So I went up 6 over 8. So my slope, I can reduce that to -3/4. Okay? Now when I said earlier perpendicular slope, I need to flip my fraction. So that becomes 4/3. And change my sign to positive. So my answer is going to be C. Alright? Here's another slope question. Alright? This one says line T contains 0, 4 and 5, 1. So let's go ahead and plot those. I know you can't really see them on here. So 0, 4 and 5, 1. Alright, so I'll plot those 2 points. Identify a point other than point D with the integral coordinates that lie on a line perpendicular to T that passes through D. Alright, so here, what we need to do, kind of like we did in the last problem. Let's find our slope of line T. So, we know it's negative. And I go up 1, 2, 3. And I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, perpendicular slope, we need to flip our fraction and change our sign. So now, we know we have to go up 5, right 3. So at point D, I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go over 3. 1, 2, 3. So, there's a point there. Also could have went down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And left 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Either one of those points would have worked. So that is 2, 3. Or you could have used -4, 7. Alright. And the last thing in this video is our distance formula. Alright, the distance formula, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. It is on your formula sheet. It's right here. Alright. So, this one, we have our 2 points. We need to make a triangle. Sorry, my triangle's not perfect. But now, I need to count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So, we're going to take 5 and 6 and put it in our formula for A and B. So, we're going to have 5 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared, or for C we're going to use X now. Alright, what we're going to do now is put this in Y1 and this one into Y2. Alright, once you do that, you should get X equals 7.8. So now, we know it's 7.8. I want you to realize that this question is not slope. So, we can get rid of A. You know it's not 61. Get rid of that one. So we have these two. What we need to do is type both of these into our calculator. Alright, for C we'll get 7.7, which is not the same thing as 7.8. And this will give you 7.8. Okay? The answer is going to be D. Alright, for this question, you could see it written differently. You could ask for what is the distance, find AB, or what is the length. Okay? So you can see any of those words, that means use Pythagorean theorem and find our distance. Okay? And this is all for this video.